Have you ever wished somebody would just tell you what to do, how to run the business, how to build the business, how to market it, how to sell, and how to actually work with your dream clients? Well, I'm going to be doing that in 4 days, all within the month of November. So that way you can hit the ground running in January during prime time and be set. Now, I want you to picture this. What does your dream business look like? As a practitioner, we don't just have to do one-on-ones anymore. In fact, I'm going to teach you how to get out of it. I don't like one-on-ones. I never did. I tried it because that's what I was told to do. But now that I have a business that I like to run, it flourishes. I want the same for you. It's coming up. We're coming up on Christmas. We've got some time that's slow in our offices in November and December. Let's build this thing in these 2 months so you can hit the ground running in January. On November 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th, we're going to go live together, you and me, on a group call. The 7th and 14th, I'm going to teach you the step-by-step process at all levels of business that you're in. Whether you're beginner, intermediate, and advanced, it doesn't matter. You're going to know the tools on what to do at that level and what to do at the next level when you hit it. Okay? On the 21st and the 28th are our implementation calls. Once you know what to do, I'm going to be right there alongside of you for those 2 days, making sure you actually take action and implement these things that I've taught you. So that way your business becomes a flourishing business in 2024. All right? Let's level up. It's time to restore freedom to your life while impacting more lives. Welcome to the Restoration Business Bootcamp, live for the first time.